clutch. All right, so we're back in our field. These birds are just in here, and they're in here very, very heavy. So we've been in and out by 7:15. Wind is coming from right to left. So we do, anytime that happens, we do load up upwind, which is this. So this is loaded up upwind. I'm running 180 skinnies and kind of like a smaller leg out this way. The birds hopefully come right in here and just go right into the middle, but kind of set for a crossing shot for the most part and just kind of loaded up. I think we're a little tight, but we'll see this how it goes. And so we did leave our blinds out last night, so they were a little frosted up and they look a lot better the other. I'm gonna shoot this one if it comes up front. Get ready. Kirk and Tim, you want to shoot those? Yeah. Go ahead. That was horrible. I don't know, I rushed my shot. My gun wasn't even on the shoulder in the first.
Double shot, Steve.
Double? No problem. Please hold.
I was out there.
Yeah, he was. I was thinking about it and I said, you know what, I'm trying it. So.
Shit, how car can come right in here.
Oh, so we good.
Kirk, shoot him. He's dead. Ready? Shoot. That's it.
That was horrible.
I got one.
What one did you shoot at?
I got two.
See, this is the problem. I'm pretty sure I shot that bird too.
Okay. The first shot I took. One's gonna drop. Did we both shoot him?
Yeah, that's why it's hard. It's just we gotta almost better off taking turns.
So I'm done. Here. Sit. Sit. Cash. Keep that coming in.
That's right. Look at these. There's so many birds that come.
Here.
Any little train does that.
Is that easy?
Here comes two. Get behind her. Watch these two. Tim, shoot the bird. You both shot the right bird.
Shooting bird?
Shoot the bird.
There
it is.
Here. Here. Good boy.
All right.
I shot the band if there's one.
Let me unload. Everyone make sure your guns are, especially if they're pointed out towards.
Expert HV steel shot.
I wonder if that's for Mark yesterday.
No, we're shooting. I got a bag of randoms I'll hand on the stage.
All right, let's get some decoys cleaned up. Well, got her dead. Worked out pretty good. Get out of here, repeat process.